Hi guys, I'm Clau.
1, 2, 3.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Hi guys, I'm Clau. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do a random haul because I got so many things during Christmas and January and I wanted to show you guys. Most of the things are not even fashion related stuff. It's like more lifestyle, house, and Louis. Let's start. Now that Louis is here, we want to show you guys his new toy. So he got this for Christmas. It's a scratcher and he has his little rats here. He likes to play with them and he climbs here sometimes, but not always. He has more interesting things to do because he's a little baby right now, so everything is interesting for him. And then I'm gonna start here, then I'll move on there. We got this soap dispenser for the bathroom. It's cute, I don't know. And then we have this, which is a vacuum robot. It's called Conga and I like it and we've been using it a lot. It's been very useful for the house and we've been happy with it and we got it for Christmas. You can make a schedule for him and he will clean the house every time. He cleans the house and he mops the floor and everything. Are you guys seeing Louis? It's the first time that he sees transparent things and he's not very familiar with that. So he's like exploring. Well, anyways, we got that. I like it. I think it's worth the money. I think this is the most expensive thing that we've gotten so far for the house. Then my boss at work gave me these knitting needles. I had something like this before in my hometown, but I've never gotten interested in this kind of knitting. I do crochet, but I've never explored this knitting world, so I guess I have to right now. I'll start thinking about how to do this and learn things and stuff because I'm really interested, because I've seen many beautiful things done with these needles. So here they are. And then my boyfriend's mom made these socks for me this Christmas. This, I think they are made with this. I had another pair done by her that she made 2 Christmases ago and I really like them. They're pink and I think Louis never been that many times in a video. So then my boyfriend gifted me my bullet journal this year. Last year I started bullet journaling and last year I had my very first bullet journal which I bought myself, and then from there I just said I want a bullet journal every Christmas and it worked. I got my second bullet journal ever. There is no brand on it, it's from Amazon and I still have to work on it and do my vision board for the year and everything, and I have everything printed, my images and everything too decorated. And I chose this color because I wanted some Tiffany blue color. There it is. Then I have 2 pairs of blue light glasses. They are from the brand Millet. I will link them down below. I got these glasses because at work I just spend so much time in front of a computer and my eyes were hurting so much. So I just got them because I feel like I needed them so much, and it has improved. Like my head doesn't hurt that much and my eyes doesn't feel that tired whenever I work because I just put them on the office and I don't take them off. So here is one pair. I feel weird recording with glasses. You're not used to this. They have like a filter on them. And then I got this one which is another different shape and style of glasses. I feel like whenever I go with another outfit or whenever I have like gold details on my outfit or jewelry and stuff, I can combine it with that. And then this is for more of a different look. So these are my blue light glasses and I like them and I use them so much. And then, okay, this is the thing that I'm most excited about this entire haul. Technically, it was my mom's Christmas present, but I was the one who personal shopped for myself. So I got my, it's not my, I was going to say my dream pair of earrings, but they're not really perfect. I like them. It's not that, of course I will use them and I really like them, but I was expecting a more of a slightly different kind of shape. So I will pop my inspiration image on the screen. So as you guys can see, this is Hailey Bieber and she's my style icon, and I've been seeing these on her for years now. I needed some, I don't know, there they are. So yeah, I will put these on with some jewelry, my Jordans, my Burberry coat, everything I have inspired by her, and I will do like a look. I don't know, I feel like these are really cool. They are thick hoop earrings, and the original ones that she wears are really expensive. I will pop a picture as well on the screen of them, and I would love to have those, but these ones will do for now. They are not cheap earrings. They are not as expensive as her earrings, but they are decent quality and I love them. And they came in this cute bag, which I also really like. Okay, next thing, I went to a dentist. I feel like this haul is more of a story time haul kind of thing because I had braces on like 2 years ago. You probably remember if you've seen my channel before. Since I got my braces removed, my tooth, this one, not gonna be that specific, has been moving. And I've been losing like the shape of this part of my mouth, and I've been very frustrated by that because I've been seeing it on the mirror. It's something that I only can see because nobody's gonna notice that. It's completely visual. It's not something that it's gonna make me or my mouth hurt or change or much needed thing because of my health. Well, the thing is, I went to the dentist because I needed someone to tell me what am I supposed to do because I really want to fix this. I didn't pay for the first visit, but they gave me a solution that was very expensive, so I just didn't took it. So when I was there, they gifted me, here's the whole point of the story, they gifted me this travel bag, toothpaste, and they gave me a bamboo toothbrush. I've always wanted a bamboo toothbrush. I'm really grateful for that. Save the planet, and I will buy bamboo toothbrushes from now on. So yeah, they gave me that, and I don't know why I had to include it in this haul. I got myself these pumps for Christmas. Well, my boyfriend and I last year were obsessed with a TV show called Suits on Netflix. There's a character called Dana. So she wears these heels all the time that I really like, and they are very similar to this style of heel, pointed stiletto kind of thumb. And hers are this color, like pink, beige, nude color. They really look good on her, and she looks very elegant and classy. So I don't know why I needed some of those because I have heels, but my heels are very thick and I don't really like them that much. I mean, they are a different style, but these ones are a basic pair that I can wear with everything, and they are this cute heel. I was hesitant about this part because you can see a part of the feet that I don't really know if I like to show, but as it's on the inside, it doesn't really look that bad. So yeah, cute basic heels for this 2021. Okay, story time. My family from Miami came this Christmas and they brought me some gifts from there. They got me this Victoria's Secret Bombshell perfume. My boyfriend really likes this. I like it too, but I've never thought about buying it until they got me this. And then they also got me this pink Victoria's Secret hoodie. I like it. I said pink because it says pink, but it's purple, as you guys can probably tell. I really like it. I feel like I'm a hoodie kind of girl. I like it. I like the color. It's very me. It's very pastel. And I like the shape of it, and I've worn it before. And then last thing, I got 3 pairs of jeans. So I got this pair, which is huge. I will do something from it. It's like straight, and I think it can look very cool for a look. And then I got this, which is middle wash, more of a distressed kind of jean. I like it. I don't really know how will I style it, but I feel like I needed jeans as well. And then I got this, which is my favorite one out of these 3 jeans. So I got this one with these cuts. Okay guys, so that was it for today's haul. Thank you so much for watching. You can follow me on my social media, which is gonna appear on the screen. Stay tuned for next week's video. Have a beautiful day. Bye.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.